Hi everybody and welcome to our very last assembly of our school year, and what a year it has been. It's been so challenging for many reasons, for the grown-ups, for you, for your families. We've had people in school, we've had people out of school, we've had some in and some out, and we've had to set up remote learning. And when you've been in school, you've been able to learn together with the adults in your class. But despite all the disruptions, I think a huge well done to you all for how well you have coped and how well you have managed with all that turbulence, and the progress that you've made in your learning has still been moving forward. And a huge well done to the grown-ups as well, because it's been really tough for them as well. Sometimes they've had to be planning and teaching in school, and at the same time setting up and organising remote learning on for the same days. So that's been a really tough challenge as well. And it's been really disappointing over the last couple of weeks where we've had to see classes being sent home to isolate because we've had a positive virus case, and following the directions from the Public Health England, we've had to send those classes home to keep everybody safe. So disappointing for us to have to send those children home from those classes, and really disappointing for them not to be in school and enjoying the end of the school year as we would normally be doing, particularly for those Year 6 children who will be moving on. We've not been able to do our normal celebrations and recalling all of our memories and sharing those, which is really tough. And they've not been able to have their transitions into the secondary schools either. So it's been a tough year, but well done to everybody for having that resilience, having that perseverance, having that confidence, taking those responsibilities, all the things that we talk about with our values that have helped us to get through it. So today's assembly, as always, for our last assembly, is a celebration assembly. We're going to firstly just go through some of the people who have managed to earn house points this term and have been got enough to be awarded a certificate. We've got some bronze and some silver certificates and a gold certificate. So well done if you've managed to be one of those people who's either got 25 or 50 house points, or even 75 if you've got that gold standard. So first off, I'm going to start with our lobsters class. So the lobsters who've got silver certificates, so you have done really well and achieved 50 house points for yourself and your house. We've got Finley Bratcher, Rianne, Jacob, Bonnie, James and Alfie Speed. So well done to all of you. You're going to be taking those home with you. In our Sharks class, silver certificates go to Cooper, Darcy Finch and Libby Pomeroy. So well done to you three for achieving that 50 house point marker. For our hermit crabs, one of our newer members of our school, Seren, well done. Seren's managed to get her bronze certificate in a short space of time. And for silver in hermit crabs, we've got Annalise, Jessie Raybold and Caitlin. So well done to our hermit crab certificate winners. The next class we have got is for seahorses, and I'm going to, again, one of our newer members of our school is Savannah, who's achieved her bronze. Well done, Savannah. And for two people who have achieved their silver certificates, Jack and Salt. So well done for getting to that silver marker to those two boys. And finally, our last class, who we've got quite a big pile here for, another new member of our school, Ruby Rose. Well done, Ruby. In a very short space of time, she's had enough house points to earn her bronze certificate, so that's really good. And for silver in our Dolphins class, we've got Roland, Ethan, Ross, who's been working so hard this year, Lillian, Luna, James Cole, Evie, Tallulah, what a great year she's had, Tommy Stevens, Alfie, Toby Watts, Amelia Drew, Deanna Clark, Adrian Lee, and Daisy Furs. So well done to all of our silver people. And our one gold certificate is who has achieved 75 house points, Lana Steed. So well done, Lana. You'll get your certificate and your gold star to go with that. So that's really good. So well done to all those people who have earned house points. Even if you didn't get to the certificate, I'm sure you will have earned house points that you can be proud of. And that's really important. It shows that you're doing the right thing at the right time in the right place. So well done to all of you. We're going to move on to our shields. And you know that our shields are very special. If somebody gets awarded a shield, it's really, really a great accolade to how they have been behaving in our school. Our shields we only give out 3 times a year at the end of every term. So there's only 3 chances to win one each year. If you win it, you'll get your name engraved onto the shield, and you'll also be taking home one of those small badges to remind us that you're a shield winner that you can wear on your school uniform. So the shields are really important because the first nomination round for the shields is the people in your classes. You will all have had a discussion in your classes about who could or should be nominated for those shields. And then the grown-ups take all of those nominees and have to, that really, really difficult job, have to pick one person to win the shield. And that is really tough. And I think this year has probably been the toughest. So we're going to start with our conduct shield. And for our conduct shield, we've had some nominees from the classes. From Lobsters, Dexter was nominated. From Sharks, Marcy Finch. From Oscar was nominated from Dolphins. Sydney Rose from Seahorses. Alexa Harvey from Starfish. And Seren from Hermit Crabs. And to win our conduct shield, that's about being that excellent role model all of the time in whatever you are doing. And that's a massive challenge. But all those nominees have obviously stood out from their classes, and people have nominated them, the other children in their classes have nominated them. And this term's winner, who the shield's going to be awarded to, is Sydney Rose from Seahorses. So well done, Sydney, massive achievement, and well done to all those nominees. Our next shield is excellence, which could be excellence in anything. It could be excellence in maths or reading or art. It could be excellence in sports. It could be excellence in good manners. It could be in anything that stands out. So our nominees from Lobsters, Chase. Seahorses, Rini. Genthia from Dolphins. Amelia from Seahorses. Matilda Stevens from Starfish. And Ruby Jackson from Hermit Crabs. So well done to all those nominees. You've obviously stood out to your classmates, and this term's winner, the shield, is going to be awarded to Matilda Stevens. So well done, Matilda. For our Endeavour Shield, for someone who has showed great resilience, great perseverance, who hasn't given up, who's got a really positive mindset. Our Endeavour Shield nominees have been the Lobsters, Sienna Watkins. Well done, Sienna. That is a fantastic achievement to be nominated. Ava Elliott in Sharks. Seth in Dolphins. Zolt in Seahorses. Ewan Menhennet in Starfish. And Maisie in Hermit Crabs, our star mathematician. Well done to all those that have been nominated. The shield for this term is going to be awarded to Seth in Dolphins. So well done, Seth. You should be very proud of yourself. And finally, our last shield is going for the Community Shield, for someone who is not just helpful to their friends or for themselves, but is aware of other people around them, does things to help out their class, does things to help out around the school in that whole sense of community. So our nominees are Rianne from Lobsters, Katie Taylor from Sharks, Olivia from Dolphins, Archie from Seahorses, Kelsey Drew from Starfish, and Shannon Clark from Hermit Crabs. So again, well done to all those nominees that have stood out to their classmates. This year term, the shield is going to be awarded to Rianne in Lobsters. So well done, Rianne. So well done to everybody who's been nominated. Well done to all those people who've actually won the shield. And thank you to everybody who's been thoughtful in making those nominations. They're really important. And if you've been nominated, then you should be very proud of yourself. It means that people are noticing just how well you are doing. So have a great summer holiday. I hope you really enjoy it. Stay safe, take care, and we look forward to seeing you back in September when hopefully things will be back to normal a bit more. Take care. Have a great summer.